Hi, if you're a social media manager or a marketing manager, you can manage all your social media posts and generate using AI and Stackby. So let's see how you can manage your entire social media calendar and social media post generation automatically. So first you need to do is you need to add all your topics of the social media post that you want to create, add the categories, add different media URLs if it's already published somewhere else, and the files or graphics for those topics and ideas. Now I'm going to create a post tab. Now in the post tab, I'm going to link it to a particular topic and I'm going to link it to a particular platform. Now within the platforms tab, I've got all the platforms where I'm going to post. What is the total ideal characters of each of those platforms? What are the requirements? And it will automatically create an AI prompt, right? Which I want to give it, to the AI so that I can generate, that particular post, right? Now, if I go to the post tab, as soon as I link a particular platform, it automatically brings the AI prompt and the ideal characters. And here I've linked it to an AI field. Here I'm going to use the Anthropic's Cloud 3.5 Haiku. I just have to bring my own API key from the Cloud console. And here I've basically added a prompt that I'm a content writer with 10 years of experience, write a proper and relevant caption for that particular platform using this AI prompt for Stackby with that particular topic, right? And stay within the ideal character limit, right? So if I click on save, so all I need to do is just generate, and it generates the captions for LinkedIn, for X, in a different way. So this is for LinkedIn and this one is for X. The same way I can do it for all my other topics as well. So social media post generation and caption generation cannot be this easy. All you need to do is, as soon as the caption is created, you change the status. You can also automate it using Hootsuite or any of the social media automation platforms and automatically publish it on those platforms. So let us know what you think and how we can improve, this particular template. Thanks.